Sandy, thanks so much for joining me. I'm here to share a mini collection that I've created. Now, this is not for sale. You can get it in two ways. Okay, I'm calling it Vintage Ballet because that's the theme of it, and I couldn't think of a better name. If I'm honest, my brain's gone. So there's 10 pages in total. However, these two pages here will be available free over on my Facebook group. The link's in the description below. Okay, now Facebook freebies are now time limited, which means I put them up and then some of them, not all of them because there's still lots in the files, some of them are removed after 2 weeks. So if you want these freebies, you need to get them, within the next 2 weeks, or they could be gone. Because, like I say, some of them are time limited. So it's a beautiful set of tags from a collage that I created in a vintage ballet theme. So we've got 2 beautiful tags, and then we've got some they're not little ones. They're larger kind of ephemera shapes that you can layer on or do what you like with. And then there is a landscape collage background, so it's quite plain, but there's little bits of music and things like that. So, and the it's the same background I've used in the tags, so it will coordinate. So these are free on my Facebook group. The rest of the collection is available to my subscription club. So my subscription club is over on my Ko-fi. It's £3 a month, and I upload exclusive content for subscription for subscribers. Now, if you want to subscribe, the most important thing you need to do first of all is create a Ko-fi account. If you don't create an account, it'll let you subscribe, but you won't be able to see the exclusive content. And it goes up like blog posts. Okay, and then the digitals are posted on the blog post, and you're also given a private link to my private files where you can also download them. I do them in JPEG and PDF. I do them in A4 and letter size for my subscription club. On the Facebook group, it's just these 2 pages, the A4 format, but this should print out fine in letter size, and that will print out fine. It'll just be a bit narrower. Okay, so those are for the freebies for the Facebook group. So it's a little bit of a taster. So if you want the rest of the collection, this won't go for sale on my Ko-fi on its own. You must be a subscriber to get it. So here we are. Here's the rest of the pages. So we've got this beautiful page here, which is in landscape, in case portrait, in case anybody wants to do a tall skinny journal, or other things other than just your standard journal pages. It's beautiful. There's lots of layering in there, lots of beautiful things to do with ballet, and it's just really lovely. So that's the first page. So you're also getting these 2 in the selection. Okay, so that's the first page. And then here we've got another collage in portrait with lovely ballerinas on. Beautiful, similar background, slightly different papers on the background, but it all coordinates beautifully. So it makes a lovely little collection. My subscribers just get that little bit extra for subscribing. So then I've done some in the landscape, so if you wanted to use them as journal pages you can, and so these are blown up so you can see the images a little bit nicer. Beautiful. Okay, and then there's another one with the lovely ballet shoes. Okay, and we've got some vintage writing behind, and the lovely wallpapers, and then the lovely kind of distress that I've gone for. Beautiful. Okay, and there's another one. Okay, with the lovely ballerinas. This one's got a lovely frame that I added. And that's another cute one. Okay. And then here we've got some of the background. So it's the same background I've used on the collage sheets, but without the detail. So you've got the kind of the plain collage. So it all coordinates perfectly. So this you can make... you can use as a journal page, you can make pockets, tags, whatever you like with. Okay, we've got it in landscape, and then with the ones that are in the Facebook group, that's in portrait, landscape. I always get them mixed up, so you've got them both ways if you're in the subscription club. And then this is another one for the subscription club. I've made some more tags and some more embellishments. So like I say, these are larger embellishments. You can layer them on the tags, layer them on your pockets, whatever. They're not little tiny ones for putting words on. These are embellishments, standalone embellishments, okay? And then also the subscription club are also getting this sheet of vintage ballerina themed photographs that I found in a digital library. So these are not common images that you'll find round and about. I found these myself. I've enhanced them. I've added more colour to them. I've lightened them because they was quite dark. So these are beautiful vintage photographs or drawings that were in books of ballerinas. You know, so these are from the actual time, from the actual period that you see the dresses, and they've been hand drawn by artists and then uploaded to digital libraries that I can access. Beautiful. So Facebook 2 pages, subscription club 10 pages. Okay, so there you go. I hope you like those. I hope the subscription club are happy with those. There is an awful lot of content on there exclusive to subscribers now. And yeah, so there we go. So that is my vintage ballerina collection. Absolutely stunning. I had real fun making it. It's just a mini collection, but you know, not everything has to bear 10 million pages. I hope you like it. The links are in the description box below for the Facebook group for the freebies and my Ko-fi if you would like to join the subscription club. It does take PayPal and cards, so it's up to you how you choose, and you can unsubscribe at the end of the month before the new month starts if you so desire. But there's that much content on there, you probably won't want to because you'll be missing out. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.